roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Hello guys, and welcome to DJ Wise channel. It's been long. Today it's been long. So I'll be doing a cleaning motivation anyway. So I'll be washing my dishes and cleaning the house 1, 2, 3. If this is the kind of content you're looking for, please consider subscribing, liking, hit that subscribe button, and you get notified whenever I upload. So guys, if you love cleaning, if you need a motivation, this is the kind of video for you, and let's do it. So currently I don't have a sink, by the way. I'm still at home, so I'll be using my table and I'll be clearing it up. Let's start cleaning.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Hope guys mnaendelea kukuwa inspired by this cleaning motivation. Nilikuwa nimekaa bila kufanya ka cleaning. Nimekuwa busy hapa na pale, but nimemaliza kushosha tu vyombo. I think hii gas inahitajika steel wire panguza huko hivyo scrub, but nitaiget later on. Guys, mnakumbukanga kupanguza huku chini ya gas? Jiko ndio kuna kanga uchafu. So guys, wakati mnapanguza TV zenyu mna handle na care, cause these screens zinakuanga very delicate, so mnatekea ndo isivunjike, ama pia usifanye hivi na nguvu ndio isianguke, si ndio?
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Sabuni ya maji, alafu mweke mbali na watu hiyo wasifikirie ni juice, ama mtu yeyote afikirie ni mafuta ya kupika, sawa?
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
So guys, finally tumemaliza. If you've been motivated, if this is the kind of content you like, guys, kama umekuwa motivated kwa kuclean, please kindly subscribe, kindly like that video, ndio irekomendiwe kwa wasee, ndio? So until next time, bye.